Final project is a Nursery API with 3 entities and a joined entity to be able to house inventory. Replace the many-to-many, which technically is still many-to-many, with this inner join entity, which now has a many-to-one going both directions. So moving onward, need to show the read operations on all of our entities here, or at least on 3 of them. So I'm going to show what we already have in the database. Right now we have 4 plants, we have 1 order, 2 customers, and 2 fields under order plant, which are the joins. So let's go ahead and do the reads on that. So first of all, plant, you're able to replicate those same results coming through. Customers, orders, JSON post for a plant. We've sent aloe vera. And to dbeaver, we're going to show that has been added. Create operation for customers in dbeaver. Posting a new order for Nick Fury. Go there. For order plant. It's going to associate that with those. Unfortunately, I have not filtered that out yet correctly in codes that these would specify, but it is doing the correct operations. Update operation on plants. We have updated the price on the desert shrub. Excuse me, desert lavender shrub. As you can see, the price did update there. Update on customers, updating bad MF to shield. Revise with correct, add to correct line up there. It's incorrect because it's not showing customers. At least it shows you the 404 error handling's correct. That time it was correct. And again, got updated there. Update operation on an order. Now Nick Fury's order has been updated, including his email, with changes to the inventory amounts. Error handling, got a 404 because there is no 4th order. As you can see here, there's only up to number 3. Same thing on customers. You can specifically ask for a customer that is in the database. I can find one that I remember. Typo needed to add the S, but that pulled in Aquaman by ID. Successful plant by ID. Again, we can pull 9, or we can pull 10. And if we try to pull 20, doesn't exist. 404 thrown. Delete operation on plants. Number 9 is going to go bye-bye. For some reason, we always get a stall when this happens. But regardless, if I stop the command and refresh dbeaver, it's gone. Lead operation on customer. Got a 404 that time. It's missing the S. Now it's sending. Again, for some reason, it seems to stall out here. But if I stop and go to dbeaver, number 3 is gone. Finally, delete on orders. Same thing. Stalls out for whatever reason, just going back and forth. We go to dbeaver. Refresh 2 is gone. Similarly, because they were associated with that order, they have now dropped off as well. And we are back down to the sole order previously. There's a lot more that can be done with this. Again, we had a many-to-many relationship and still technically do between plant and order. However, in order to add the quantity of a plant in, I had to change this to a many-to-one mapping. Here, also had to add in some controllers specifically to keep the CRUD operations rolling succinctly, and then otherwise, this pretty much matches up to exactly what was shown in the pet park and the pet store apps, just with some slight modifications. I'd like to clean this up so that in the future, when I'm pulling in order data, I can get more coming through on this inner join and also possibly have a better front end interface for doing this rather than just sending commands through Arc, but that's beyond the scope of this course, so I will leave it here for now and say that should show all the requirements for my final project.